Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jeep Compass key fob battery. It's a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. All you'll need is a new CR 2032 3-volt lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your key fob is working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, let's access the battery compartment. On the back of your key fob, you'll find a small mechanical latch. Slide this latch sideways and then pull out the emergency key. Set this key aside for a moment. Next, look for a small gap or notch near where the emergency key was located. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this gap. With a gentle twist, you can start to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Once you've started to separate the halves, continue to gently pry them apart until the key fob is fully open. You'll then see the old CR 2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully lift it out of its slot. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt battery. It's important to insert it correctly. Place the new battery with the positive, or plus, side facing down into the compartment. Make sure it clicks securely into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and gently press them together until they snap shut. Make sure all the edges are flush and there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. Now, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.